All right, boys, it's Friday. We've made it. Yes.
All right, guys, happy Friday. A little bit of change of pace today. I'm going to flip the hat around real quick. Today we get to work on big truck stuff. All right, so we got a 466 DTE, and it's in a water truck that apparently, after Stevie had swapped over from one engine to the other, well, now she will crank, but she won't start. We're having issues from the engine ECM, cam and crank correlation issues, and what have you. So we're going to go take a look at that today. So we'll see what else happens.
All right, 466 DTE in this 4700 water truck. That's a rigged crank, no start. Right now we do not have communication with the ECM, so let's go ahead and get into this one.
No communication.
Shit, boys. Found the problem.
All right, boys, look what's back in our lives. That's right, the old MT85. Got to finish resealing the injectors and do a couple of coolant flushes with the actual coolant flush stuff, and put this unit back together so we can get to the other MT85. Let's go. All right, here's a friendly reminder from your Bobcat tech here. If it's in the head gasket kit, just replace the injector cups. So essentially this is how your injectors go back together. So you have that little cup right there, copper crush washer, the injector body itself. So let's get these slammed back in and see if we have fixed our leak. See that right there, guys, injector nozzle in the cylinder head, tightened to 37 to 50 foot-pounds, and it's Friday, it's getting 50. All right, just like in traditional contractor fashion, boys, yeah, we're packing her back up and got to go back to the job site. All right, Deere 410E. We've got some axle faults from yesterday that we're going to tackle today. We're going to start out with some filters and then see what it does from there. I really hope that's not current. Away we go. Want to come off easy? It's always a good sign, boys.
All right, you guys see this is the actual rear. And yeah, you can definitely tell it's twisting and it's starting to collapse.
Well, if you guys see it right there, middle axle loop, rear axle loop, 15 psi, front we're right around 53. You can give it throttle and it will climb. But the middle and the rear though, hello, are we waking up today, boys? Well, I'm an idiot. Start getting the rotational movement, and guess what? Pressures go back up. Yup, I'm learning, boys. I'm learning.
It's my first day. I'm new. Deere is weird. Help.